come to my terrace, and what's so special and what are we going to pluck and make something really special in our kitchen. So I have plenty of spinach in my garden. So few videos are uploaded and we are going to make 3 dishes today. So much of spinach, we plucked it. We have here all around in all my pots, beautiful lovely garden on the terrace. Beautiful flowers blooming too. You should have flowers so that you can have lovely fruits. So we'll be plucking and we'll be making 3 dishes, that is palak ki bhurji, palak and spinach and potato, spinach fritter and spinach gravy curry. So let's move, start plucking. Just taking the spinach. Plucking spinach is again an interesting and a fun time. And now we have so much of spinach. With this we'll be making 3 dishes. So let's start. We'll take them from my garden. We are making fritter. This is part 2. Today I am going to make with the same fritter batter curry. It's a gravy curry. Even if you have leftover spinach pakoras or fritters, you can just use in the curry, or you can make fresh and you can make the curry. So just watch part 2, fritters curry. So let's move to the process. So I have fritters here getting ready. And I'll add little oil, 1 ladle of oil. We'll add 1 spoon of cumin seeds and mustard seeds, that's it together. It's a 1/4 spoon of mustard and just 1/2 spoon of cumin seeds mixed together. Then let it splutter. Then add 3 big onions, garlic, grind it with 4 onions, cloves, cardamom into a fine paste. I'll add 1 spoon of ginger, garlic and green chili paste. So when you see a round ball of this masala, that means it is cooked. Just see the ball moving around. Yeah. Now what you can do is just add 5 tomatoes of medium size. That's it. Just cook it till it leaves oil and tomatoes are cooked and the masala is dry. So now what you can do is just see the tomatoes or the masala is ready, it is dry, it is collecting like a ball. So at this stage what you can do is you can add cumin powder, a small 1 spoon of cumin powder. Then you can add 1/2 spoon of garam masala. That's it. Aarti Kodam masala, which has coriander, quite few spices here. Really yummy. You can use this instead of direct red chili powder. If possible, I will give you the recipe of Aarti Kodam masala. You can make it at home, grind it at home. If you want the recipe of Aarti Kodam masala, just give a thumbs up below and comment in my comment box, and my next recipe will be Aarti Kodam masala. It's very easy. Instead of having direct chili powder, you can just mix few ingredients. It's really yummy and makes your dish very, very tasty. You can add water to it. I'll be adding 1.5 glass of water, and we will just dip our fritters into it. Let the water be heated up first. So I'll be adding 1/2 glass more. It all depends how much thick or thin gravy you want. At medium, so it should be neither too very thin nor too very thick. It should be semi. Now it is simmering. What you can do is, what generally I do is I just take away this foam on the top. It is not good for health. If you have this, you have the thyroid problem. So try to remove this. We generally use cooker and all that. That goes unseen. So always cook in open vessels and remove this. Very important point I have been keeping telling in many of my videos And this is a waste. Please do remove. You have the thyroid problem. Let's see. It is hot. I will just add my spinach fritters into it. I'll add my fritters. Go green, eat green, be healthy, use muffins. Use mask and sanitizer. Do not go out of home unless it is necessary. Put the lid and simmer it. Within 10 minutes, it is ready to begin. Some more salt. Add little some more salt. Always taste your dish before serving. The gravy is ready. The fritters are soft and tender. This is spinach, semi-gravy. If you like thick gravy, you can have thick. If you like thin, it's up to your choice. I like semi. So it's up to your choice. If you like thin, you can add water. And on the top, please do not add cold water. Always add hot water on the top. Or have a measurement in the earlier stages. So this is ready to serve now. Now we'll do the plating. So our dish is ready. Just see the yummy color, and all the fritters are wholesome and really clear. So now what we can do is you can add little coriander on the top and make it a more presentable thing. So it should look beautiful to eat first with the eyes, then with the taste. So have yummy hot spinach fritter curry, very easy and simple, right from my garden. Enjoy, have a great time. It's a healthy dish. You can just give it to your kids. Just have a great time, enjoy it. You can have it roti, rice, puri, whatever you like. Or you can directly dig into because it's healthy. So have a great time. See you tomorrow.